Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Here we will share the details for Nintendo error code 2819-0003. This error code simply indicates that your Nintendo account is being used on another console to play downloadable content. In simpler terms, your Nintendo account is already linked to another console. To resolve this error, you have to disconnect your Nintendo account and its associated downloadable content from other consoles. First, try to disconnect your Nintendo account from the other consoles. Access the other consoles where your account is linked and disconnect it. However, if you're unable to locate the other console, don't fret. A simple solution is to change your Nintendo account password. This will automatically log out your account from all other devices. To do this, visit the Nintendo account website and sign in. Navigate to Sign In and Security Settings, then click Edit in the Change Password section. Enter your current password, then your new password twice, and hit Submit to update the password. Now, to avoid this error in the future, you might want to make your current console the primary console for your Nintendo account. But what if you've done all of this and the error still pops up? In that case, it's time to call in the experts. Contact Nintendo support for further assistance. In summary, the Nintendo error code 2819-0003 pops up when your Nintendo account is being used on another console. To resolve this, disconnect your account from the other consoles or change your account password. And to avoid this error in the future, make your current console the primary one for your Nintendo account. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.